the way into Fargo to Menards to get the countertop concrete mix. We gave him the SKU number and a picture of the bag. We went up to the right lady and we got it and he paid for the right product. And the goofy Menards people loaded the wrong product in the back of the truck. The poor guy drove all the way here and we had to send him all the way back to Menards to exchange it for the right thing that he needed. In the interim, we are sitting waiting for him to get back, and then we'll. Route all the brick in front. All the railing has to go. We have to rust all the railing. Finish the store. Here we go. We're driving to get food because it's 7:30 and we just finished the countertops. It was a really long, hectic day, and we just thank God that you're gonna get that bird. Oh my gosh! Okay, sorry. We just thank God that the drill didn't die because it was smoking in the first bag. We were halfway through, and it was smoking and hot, and we thought, oh my gosh, we have 35 more bags to do. Oh, but somehow, thank the Lord, it worked. Everything. And it looks amazing.
It does.
Even all wet.
It was very tense to begin with.
Yeah.
We had to keep coming with the cement or it would have ruined the whole thing.
We were having issues with that.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Yep. Now we're getting desk moved up. Right now, we're hoping this is going on while we're running to get the food. The desks are being moved up into the mezzanine, and the store is pretty much set up. And yeah, another productive day and a delicious meal. Oh, we forgot about the Chef Libby. Oh, and the trees Jeff cut down. The trees is helping cut down. Yeah, a bunch more trees.
Really I called them out of there until the bobcat broke down.
Yes, now we need parts. Yep, about it. All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Yep, bye-bye.